In today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you sell while you're on the Shopify free trial? So first off, if you've never actually tried out the Shopify free trial, I'll include a link in the video description down below, which will actually take you to this page. This offer allows you to try Shopify out for free for 3 days, and you don't even have to enter in your credit card information. Once that initial free trial is over, you can actually get your first month for just $1 a month, and they even give you $50 to use in the Shopify App Store. So, are you actually able to sell products while on the Shopify free trial? Now, the answer to this is yes, however, we will have to set some things up first in order to accept payments. So the first thing you must do is actually open up your Shopify dashboard and then go down to the bottom left corner. We can then click on settings down here, and we then want to come over to this list on the left hand side and we want to select payments. So in order to sell while you're using the Shopify free trial, you will first have to set up some sort of payment provider, and the easiest way to get this done is Shopify Payments, which is this option at the top. So we can simply choose to complete our account setup, and we can basically just answer all of the questions that they ask us and give them whatever information they need. From there, we can submit for verification, and as long as all our details are correct, we will then get accepted for Shopify Payments, and we can then start accepting payments even if we are still on the free trial. So as I said earlier, if you need to try out the Shopify free trial for yourself, I'll actually include that exclusive link in the video description down below, and from there you can get access to the Shopify free trial and you can start selling products in your store today. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.